Alright, so this video is going to be a quick one. Hopefully. Oh wow, I had this in my cart, but I don't think I bought it, but I guess I'm mistaken. I got this, and then I got this as well, which is what everyone's probably been getting in the last week. Oh, that's pretty cool. Right, so let's just get into this. I gotta say, I do like the colors of the tile, which is important since you can't really change them. Rubiks speed. Oh wow. So I wasn't expecting that, just based off the last speed version of a Rubik's Cube. I remember on my last video, someone got mad about I always do the same move. Wow, this is really good. I think that they're going to try to sell these in store. And that's going to be super interesting. Like, for people to buy and then be like, wow, Rubiks has came a long way. Let me grab. Alright, so this is the last one. It had tiles as well, but these are very shiny, and these more of a matte finish. And you can hear the clankiness of this one. It always used to get caught up on these pieces. So I know this is a speed version, but I don't know if it's adjustable or not. Not sure. Not gonna kill my nails to open that though. Let's just look at this. Rubiks. I don't think this one has magnets. I've only seen one video on it, and I believe that it doesn't have. Yeah, it has ball bearings. You can see that. Wow, so that's pretty good. It reminds me of which is it, the last Moji one that came out a little bit? And then I think I got this because it's not really a cube. It's more something to play with. Yeah, that's why. Heck yeah. Forget fidget spinners. This is where it's at. Alright, so I messed around with a couple of other pure mixes, and I think this one most likely feels like the Mofangi one. It's just a little bit like swooshier and faster, I think. But other than that, it's good. Like, I don't know, pure mixes haven't really like improved with the ones that came out. It's all just feeling what you like the most. This is fun to mess around with. You should definitely get it. Better than a fidget spinner. This, I don't even know how to. It's like, it literally has like the feeling of like the old plastic cubes, like the very sucky ones, but that it moves faster, and it has very, very good corner cutting. And you can adjust like the little GAN nuts this thing comes with, so there is that. But you just gotta. I very, very much so like the feeling of this cube. Like, you can definitely compete with this cube. It's not bad at all. But it just has that like cheap feel of like kind of like the Guanlong a little, not really, but I definitely recommend, well, I don't know, if you like your Pyraminx, you don't need to get this. It's not like leaps and bounds above the ones that we've been already having. Ooh, these tips though, these are good. I definitely prefer this snap, than the magnets where it's not really, kind of just glides, and I definitely prefer that snap. But these 100% recommend. I'm gonna sticker this up and play with it some more. I don't know what the color should be, but I'll figure it out. I'll post that on my Instagram in the next couple days. But yeah, so that was it for this video. Definitely get this, 100% try it out, and it'll just be cool to have in your collection. This is fun to mess around with. This, if you like Pyraminxes, might as well. Pyraminx? Pyramide? No, I'm just messing. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and have a great day. Rubiks.